Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share your add-on kits for May 2021. These coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit, so you can add cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments, or all three, or two, however you want to do. This is a great way to have your kits go even further. If you're one that this is the way you're building your stash, this is what you work from each month, then you'll definitely want to add the add-ons. You can also check out the Shots of Life because it coordinates with the Flavors of the Month as well, so it will give you more pattern paper and more embellishments. So as you can see, it is jam-packed full of beautiful collections this month, and you're gonna want to have more of it. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that's in each one of the add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. And the cardstock add-on, you get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. And I like to leave it laid out like this so you can see how well it coordinates with your pattern paper. Also, so you can see all of the collections together and you can kind of see what you could mix and match and come up with just even more options with your kits. So starting with Amy Tangerine, Brave and Bold, the cardstock is 1 sheet of taffy and 2 sheets of peacock. For Maggie Holmes Garden Party, you're going to get this beautiful shimmer cardstock here. This is Tropical Bay. And 2 sheets of Tutu Pink. For the Wild Asparagus from My Mind's Eye, you'll get a sheet of Sea Salt and 2 sheets of Mauve. And then Crafting with My Nomies, you get a sheet of Powder, blue cardstock, and 2 sheets of Yellow Corn. This is perfect so that you can have your kits go even further. You can have extra backgrounds. You can die cut some titles or some frames, mat your photos. Just lots of options with your cardstock. So be sure to get that one added on. The next add-on we're going to look at is the pattern paper add-on, which of course most of you are like me and you love your pattern paper, so this is a must. So for the pattern paper add-on, you're going to get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these will not be any duplicates. They won't be anything that's in your kit. They're 2 additional patterns. So starting with Amy Tangerine, Brave and Bold, we have this paper here with these beautiful florals on this pink background. This is called Anemone. I know I butchered that, but moving on. The background is this, it's just random colors. It's kind of like a mixed media background or something with the light blue and the darker blue. Full branding strips. This one is called April Shower, so it's a rainbow print kind of looking like rain coming down. The back is a brush stroke of the aqua. Super cute. For Garden Party and Maggie Holmes, we have this paper called Lattice Trellis, and to me it looks like a quilt top. It's just gorgeous with the pink and the green and the yellow and the blue. The back is a diagonal yellow stripe, full branding strips. This paper is Wildflowers. This one's called Happy Growing. The back is a text. Happy, think happy, be happy, hello, sweet, love, things to remember. Just a beautiful text paper. From My Mind's Eye, Wild Asparagus, we have this one that has the block letters. We find our path by walking it. A beautiful day. If you love what you have, then you have everything you need. I love that. So you could cut those out to use as a title or a subtitle, or use it as just background paper. Just a fun pattern. The back is a beautiful floral. This one is called Matilda. We have another floral print on that blue. The back is the turquoise with the blue polka dots. This one is called Tilly. And then for Crafting with My Nomies, We have this one called So Sweet, and it has the sewing machine and the embroidery hoops, embroidery floss, scissors, just lots of icons all about hand sewing and machine sewing on a yellow background. The back is this gorgeous heart print. Then we have this one called Crafty Weekend that has the gnomes with all of their scrapbook supplies. Super cute and fun. The back is a rainbow stripe. So one more look at all of the extra patterned paper that you can have added on. So I know you're going to want to do that. Our next add-on is the embellishment add-on. Let me move this kind of to the side. So for the embellishment add-on, you're going to receive more embellishments for each one of the collection. So for Amy Tangerine, Brave and Bold, you're going to get a sheet of the thickers. So these are the ones that are like foam with the paper on top. So you'll receive one or the other. So these will vary. For Maggie Holmes' Garden Party, you're going to get a sheet of the puffy stickers as well, or thickers. So these will vary, but you'll get one sheet or the other. So I have some title words, some florals, teacups here. I love teacups, so that's perfect for me. And for Wild Asparagus, from My Mind's Eye, you're going to get the chipboard sheet. So this one will vary as well. But we have some of the little woodland creatures, the florals that we saw on the paper, and some banners and numbers. And then for Crafting with My Gnomies, you're going to get half a pack of the die cut ephemera. So these will vary, but I'll just show you what's in mine. We have some tags, some word labels. Again, these could be used for titles or subtitles, banners. So those will vary. All of the embellishments will vary, but you get a good representation of what will be in there. So that's a look at the add-on embellishments. One more look at your 3 add-on kits. Remember to check out the Shots of Life. I'll have a video link here at the end so you can click on it. If you haven't already checked out the Flavors of the Month, it will be linked here at the end as well. Come on over and join us. Share your projects. I've been seeing some amazing projects here lately, so keep sharing. It's an inspiration to all of us. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.